Third numerical here from November 2017 question paper for 7 marks. A hollow circular column of 5 meter long. So let me write this. L is 5 meter. It's hollow circular column. Okay. One end is fixed and the other end is hinged. So what will be L effective? One end is fixed, other end is hinged. L by root 2. So we have here L value 5 meter divided by root 2. So we get the value 5 divided by root 2 as 3.535 meters. So which is equal to 3535 millimeters. The column is to carry an axial load of 750 kilonewton. So what is a load which column need to carry? 750 kilonewton, which is equal to 750 into 10 cube newtons. Determine the dimensions of the column taking internal diameter 0.75 times external diameter. So small d, okay, is internal diameter and capital D is external diameter. So the relation given here is D is equal to 0.7 times capital D. Assume E is equal to 2 into 10 raised to 5 Newton per millimeter square and factor of safety is given as 4. Okay, this is a data given. So let us calculate the unknowns here. So what we have, PCR is equal to pi square EI by LE square. Okay, so what is unknown here? I value, isn't it? Okay, so let us calculate that. I is equal to pi by 64 d raised to 4 minus d raised to 4. Okay, let us substitute whatever we know. We know d raised to 4 minus, let us substitute this here, 0.75 times d. Small d is 0.75 times d, the whole raised to 4. When we solve this, pi d raised to 4 divided by 64, we have 1 minus 0.75 times 0.75 raised to 4. We have value 0.3164. okay, so this we can simplify. So we get the value here 0.0335 d raised to 4. So this becomes our equation to be used in the formula. What is PCR? The column is to carry an axial load of 750 kilonewton and factor of safety FOS is given 4. So PCR is equal to load into factor of safety, which is equal to 750 into 10 cube. Okay, I am substituting in newtons, into factor of safety, that is 4. So 750 into 4 is 3000 into 10 cube newton. So we got PCR also. Now let us substitute all this in this formula, whatever we have. So PCR is equal to pi square EI by LE square. So let us substitute this. We have 3000 into 10 cube, pi square, E is 2 into 10 raised to 5, I is 0.0335. Make sure that all the variables, all the values are in one particular unit. See that it is not, one value is not in millimeters and the other value in meters. This is square, LE square, right? Yeah. LE square. So what is unknown? D value is unknown. Let us solve this and get the final. So we get D raised to 4 is equal to this upon solving this on calculator, and then we have to find the fourth root of the value of this value so that we get D dimension. So let me do that. And so we get the value D is equal to 154.30 millimeters. And then when you substitute this 154.30 in this equation, you get the internal dimension, that is 0.75 times 154.30. So we have answer into 0.75. Let me do this. The internal diameter as 115.73 millimeters. This completes the problem.